Hello dear friends, so this video is for you and we are in Indore Mandi and now today we are watching that what the price of garlic the farmers got in Mandi. We are taking the farmers review also and how much price they got for the onion as well as for potato as well as for garlic. So this video I am just making for you so that you can know about that what in India actually farmers are selling their potatoes, how they are selling their price of how they are getting the price of potato and what price are they are just getting for the onion and as well as the garlic. So we need to discuss and we need to talk to the farmers, those who sold their product, whether that is a garlic, whether that is a onion or whether that is a potato. So this garlic actually sold 10,200 rupees. When we'll see the garlic, we have the small size also too and the medium size as well as the big size too. We have the farmers with us. We need to talk that what price actually got. So it's a 10,200 rupees. दादा क्या नाम है आपका? कहाँ से आए हुए?
अहिरखेड़ी से।
अहिरखेड़ी. So his name is Rajkumar. He is from Ahirakedi and we are just taking the review of that farmer that what price he got ultimately. ये लहसुन क्या भाव गया आपने?
10,200।
He got the price of 10,200 rupees and that is the price of quintals, means 100 kg price. When we talk about the 1 kg price, that is a 102 rupees. So that is a condition of India that how the farmer is selling, what price they are getting. अभी दादा क्या नाम है? लक्ष्मण जी कहाँ से आए? So his name is Lakshman and he is from टाकवा. तो आज क्या भाव गया लहसुन अपने?
ये अपनी 10,980।
10,980. So as I already told about that one is the garlic is sold 10,980. We need to talk to him that how much quantity he is having the garlic now and what price he actually get for the last 2-3 days. अभी आपके पास कितना आज माल कितना लेके आए?
59 कट्टे।
उनका
तो पहले 15
उस समय क्या बिका था?
17.5
17.5 और 15.5. So when we talk about the garlic before 15 days ago, the garlic price was almost 17,500. But now the garlic price is just getting down. It's only 10,000 or we can say 11,000 around. So this garlic actually sold in 12,000? 700 rupees. And when we talk about the garlic, the size of the garlic is very big and we have the small size also and a little bit small we have also. And that one is 9,500. कहाँ से आया? So his name is Rahul and he's from Bijalpur, the area which is near of Indore. क्या भाव मिला आपको लहसुन का?
ये 12,700।
12,700. He sold 12,700 rupees. We need to ask some questions also so that you can also decide that if you want to buy from India, then you can buy. We have the good taste of garlic in India. When we compare to China's garlic, China's garlic taste is not good. When you're having the taste of Indian garlic, you'll get the better taste. So this garlic actually sold at 12,600 rupees. And when we talk about the garlic, it's having the big size also and as well as the small size too. That one is a small size and that one is having the big size. When we talk about the small, the teeny size, and that is sold for the 8,600 rupees. We have the farmers. We need to talk to farmers also.
ये दिनेश पटेल।
कहाँ से आए आप?
उपड़ी से।
So his name is Dinesh Patel and he is from Upadi. Upadi is near of Indore. कौन सा? So we have the Ujjain desert districts. So he is from Ujjain. Let's ask some questions to him. अभी आज क्या भाव बिका अपना लहसुन? 12,600
और 8,000
और ये वाला
11,400।
So we have the varieties of garlic. That some garlic sold for 12,600. That is totally depend on the size, depend on the which quality of the garlic that one is. ये कौन सा माल है?
ये अमृता।
So this one is Amrita, Ooty. This kind of we have the different varieties of the garlic in India. Okay, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Balram. ठीक है. This onion is sold for 22 rupees kg and we have the farmers also. But first let me show the onions, which kind of onions we have. The big size onion we have also and we have the small size too. And when we talk about the price is 22 rupees kg. And when we talk about the quintals, it's 2,200 rupees kg. We have the farmers also. We need to talk to farmers too. दादा क्या नाम है आपका?
ओम पटेल।
ओम पटेल साहब कहाँ से आए? दरावरा से। क्या भाव गया आपका प्याज? 22 रुपये। सो हिज नेम इज ओम पटेल and he is from Daraura, a village near of Indore, and the price of onion he got 22 rupees. Let's ask the question that how is getting the price now, he is satisfied or not. अभी अपने को कीमत कैसी मिल रही है? अच्छी मिल रही, बढ़िया, सेटिस्फाइड हो? अभी कुछ दिनों से जो कम हो गया था उससे सेटिस्फाइड ज़्यादा है? So he is satisfied now ultimately because 5 to 10 days before the price was so low. It was only 13 rupees, 14 rupees, but now the price is day by day increasing. So that's a good sign for also for the farmers. चलिए, जय जवान, जय किसान, जय बलराम. The price of 20 rupees, and we have the farmers also. We need to talk to farmers. The onion is very nice. When we look at the onion, we have the similar size of the onion now, and some big onions also included in this one. So let's talk to the farmers. What is he got the price in mandi?
सुरेश लबड़े,
कहाँ से आए हैं?
इटाना मालेगांव,
मालेगांव, महाराष्ट्र से. क्या भाव गया प्याज आपका?
2000.
The farmer sold the price 20 rupees kg, and he came from the Maharashtra. What's your name? क्या नाम है आपका?
सुरेश लबड़े.
सुरेश लबड़े. So अभी कितना? How much having the onions he is having the stocks? Let's discuss about the stocks too. कितना अभी स्टॉक रखा हुआ है? 100 कट्टा और means he is having 100 kattas still remaining, and let's ask some questions that how is getting the price of that one is. आपको प्राइस कैसा मिल रहा है? अच्छा मिल रहा है, बुरा मिल रहा है?
अभी अच्छा मिल रहा है.
Now he is telling about that the price is good for the farmers, but when we talk about that and what the condition of from yesterday, the condition from yesterday is very down. Means yesterday the price was 22-23 rupees kg. I am talking about the kg. When we talk about the 100 kg as a quintal, the price will be 2000 rupees quintal. चलिए, जय जवान, जय किसान. This onion sold for 21 rupees kg. When we talk about the quintals, it's 2100 kg. 2100 rupees quintal means 100 kg. We have the farmers also. When we look at the onion is having big size as well as have the small size too, medium size too, and we have the here farmers. We need to talk the farmers also. क्या नाम है आपका? मेहतवाड़ा से. So the farmer's name is विनोद पाटीदार. He is from मेहतवाड़ा. अभी कितना प्याज लेके आए थे आप? 60 कट्टी. क्या भाव गया? ये वाला क्या भाव गया आपका? 21 रुपये. So the onion is sold for 21 rupees kg, and when we talk about the quintal, it's 2100 rupees quintal means 100 kg we are talking about that one. Let's ask some questions to him that how much he is having the stock now and how is getting the price, it's good price or not. आपको कैसा मिल रहा है? ये कीमत कैसी मिल रही है? प्याज अच्छी मिल रही है, बढ़िया मिल रहा है. चलिए, he is satisfied with the price now, but before the 5 to 10 days ago the price was so down. It was only 14 rupees and 30 rupees, but still he is getting nice price. As he are you खुश हैं अपन? He is happy now. Okay, जय जवान, जय किसान, जय बलराम. ठीक है भैया. So that potato actually having the price of 13 rupees, and the maximum price of potato today having the 16 rupees. बोलो भैया, आज क्या गया? हाईएस्ट क्या गया?
हाईएस्ट 16 रुपए गया.
16 rupees. So the 17 भी बिका है. एक्स्ट्रा सुपर. We have the farmer with us, and how much price he got for his potato. Let's have discuss to the farmer. भैया, क्या नाम है आपका?
कमल सोलंकी.
कमल सोलंकी. कहाँ से आए?
ग्राम चटवाड़ा.
So his name is Kamal Solanki. He is from village Gram Satwada. अभी आज आपका क्या भाव गया प्याज?
आलू 15 रुपये 75 पैसे.
15 रुपये 75 पैसे. So today he sold potato 15 rupees 75 paisa. It's ultimately per kg, but when we talk about the quintals, it's 1575 rupees quintal means 100 kg. Let's talk about the date we have. The today 28 February 2024 and the week Wednesday. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel so that I can have the better video for you every day. Okay, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Balram.